Hola.
Hola.
Oh, you didn't as well. Are we both going to do it together? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hola.
And welcome to the channel. I'm Mike.
And I'm Yvonne.
And we're here today to talk about our favourite places in Spain on the Costa Blanca, the Orihuela Costa, and between the lakes in Torrevieja. Today is the 12th of July.
And?
Well, I'm a bit gutted because we lost the Euros last night.
Yes, we did, but...
Well, it was a sad and disappointing end to a fantastic tournament by England.
It is, but we can still celebrate.
Well, yeah, we've got the World Cup next year. Could make a big comeback there, you know.
What else happened on 12th of July in 1980?
Olivia Newton-John got to number 1 with Xanadu.
Is that all you can remember?
12th of July 1980. I feel there's something stuck in the back of my head. Our last video about our experience of buying a house in Spain has become our number 1 video by a country mile.
It's proved to be something that you're all very interested in, and we thank you all very much for your comments.
Today we want to talk about the things they don't mention on popular buying property abroad programmes like A Place in the Sun.
We do love that programme and enjoy watching every single episode and the repeats.
In the early episodes they used to talk about the communal charges which apply to lots of properties on complexes, urbanisations and apartments, and they can be very substantial.
Ours are very cheap, at just 2 payments a year of £87.30. That's less than €15 a month, and this covers the pool maintenance, the street lighting and the street cleaning. Large
complexes are sometimes built in phases, and each phase can have their own committee and they may have different facilities and fees.
The block next to us recently decided to become gated, so they have extra costs for the upkeep of the electric gates.
If you buy an apartment and it's got a lift or a rooftop pool or gardens, they will have to be looked after and paid for, and this comes in the form of a communal fee. It always makes us smile when Laura Hamilton or one of the presenters says they've 6 pools, tennis courts, saunas, Turkish baths and a resident Father Christmas on this complex. What does that mean?
It's going to mean more charges.
More brass, eh?
Aye.
So think on.
On A Place in the Sun, they always ask what the budget is and ask if there's any wiggle room.
Let's just hope they've told them about the 10% property tax on top of the wiggle room, plus the possible substantial communal charges. In our last episode about our experience buying a house in Spain, I'll put a link to it here and in the description, we talked about the 12 to 15% over the property price you should budget for when you're calculating your total spend. In that episode we go into detail about the extras like property tax, land registry fees, notary fees, etc. So if you haven't seen it, click on the link and take a look.
Okay, it's time for some Between the Lakes drone footage.
Here's a compilation of some of our footage taken over the past few visits around El Chaparral, La Siesta, Limonar, Torreta 2 and 3 and the wonderful Pink and Blue Lakes.
Well, we hope you enjoyed that 2 minutes of escapism in the sunshine.
The latest travel news for England now tells us that from the 19th of July, we can go to amber-listed countries like Spain and we don't have to quarantine on our return as long as we've had both the jabs.
But it looks like we still have to get a PCR test for the return trip at the moment.
And these are available from the pharmacy opposite the Habaneras shopping centre in Torrevieja, next to Specsavers. We've heard they're no more than €40, probably 35 to €40. Well, that's just about it, except to thank you all for watching, commenting and subscribing to our channel.
We now have about 1,250 subscribers, so thank you all so much for your support.
And we have at last booked our flights to come over at the end of August and can't wait to visit our favourite places and find new ones between the lakes. Oh, by the way, I've got something for you.
Have you? What have you got for me?
Thought I'd forgotten, didn't you?
I did, yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
What is that?
That's that pencil sharpener you asked me to get for you yesterday. So once again, thanks for watching, and from our tiny little house in Clickheaton, as you can see, brand new set. Do you like how that gone? It's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video, please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to hit our notification bell. 3, 2, 1, King! Adios!
Adios!